Welcome to the ultimate comfort food experience as we prepare a classic easy baked ziti recipe. This dish is the perfect combination of tender pasta, rich marinara sauce, and a trio of melty cheeses that will satisfy every single member of your family. To get started, you will need a box of ziti pasta, high-quality marinara sauce, and a blend of ricotta, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheeses. Don't forget the Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and fresh basil to elevate the flavor profile of this homemade Italian-inspired masterpiece. Begin by bringing a large pot of heavily salted water to a rolling boil and cook the ziti until it reaches a firm al dente texture. It is crucial not to overcook the pasta at this stage because it will continue to soften and absorb flavors while baking. While the pasta drains, whisk together the creamy ricotta cheese in a large bowl with a portion of the Parmesan, garlic powder, and savory Italian seasoning. This mixture creates those signature pockets of creaminess that make every bite of a traditional baked ziti so incredibly satisfying. In a separate large mixing bowl, combine the cooked ziti with a generous amount of your favorite marinara sauce, ensuring every single tube is thoroughly coated. A good coating of sauce is essential to prevent the dish from drying out during the baking process in the oven. Gently fold the prepared ricotta mixture into the saucy pasta, being careful not to overmix so that distinct clumps of cheese remain throughout. These little cheese clouds provide a wonderful contrast to the tomato sauce and chewy pasta, creating a complex and delightful texture in every mouthful. Prepare your baking dish by spreading a thin layer of sauce on the bottom before adding half of the saucy pasta mixture. This foundation prevents sticking and ensures that even the bottom layer of your ziti is infused with the bright flavors of the tomato and herbs. Add a generous layer of shredded mozzarella over the first half of the pasta to create a hidden molten center of cheese. This secret middle layer is what gives the casserole its decadent structure and ensures a perfect cheese pull when you finally serve it to your guests. Add the remaining pasta to the dish and top it with the rest of the marinara sauce and a heavy blanket of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. The combination of these two cheeses ensures a beautiful golden brown crust that looks just as good as it tastes when it finishes. Cover the dish loosely with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven until the sauce is bubbling and the center is piping hot. Covering it initially helps retain moisture, allowing the pasta to finish cooking perfectly without the top cheese layer burning or becoming too tough. Remove the foil for the final 10 minutes of baking to let the cheese melt completely and develop those beautiful golden brown spots. If you prefer a crispier top, you can briefly use the broiler, but stay close and watch it carefully to avoid any unwanted charring or burning. Once the ziti is out of the oven, it is vital to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the sauce to thicken slightly and the cheese to set, making it much easier to scoop out clean and beautiful portions. Dish out a generous portion of the warm, cheesy pasta and garnish it with freshly chopped parsley or torn basil leaves for a pop of color. The fresh herbs provide a bright contrast to the rich, savory flavors of the baked cheeses and the hearty tomato sauce. Serve your homemade baked ziti alongside a crisp green salad or some buttery garlic bread to complete the meal. The crunch of the salad and the soft, garlicky bread are the ideal companions for this soft and comforting Italian-style pasta bake that everyone will absolutely love. Remember that you can always customize this recipe by adding cooked ground beef or Italian sausage for a heartier version. Also, preparing the dish a day in advance and refrigerating it can actually help the flavors meld together even more beautifully before you put it in the oven. Thank you so much for joining us in the kitchen today to make this incredibly easy and delicious baked ziti recipe. If you enjoyed this cooking guide, please like the video, leave a comment with your favorite pasta toppings, and subscribe to our channel for more favorites.